Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Florida Panhandle region. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, so listen, I really love doing seeds. I didn't know that was going to be a thing for me, but now it's a thing. So I've had such good success with the ones that I've already sowed. I may have bought some more seed supplies. I think I bought some grow lights, some more heating pads, more containers. I know it's really late in the season, but Florida has such a long growing season. I'm like, why not? You know, and I'll be able to reuse those supplies next year and get sowing sooner. So I had some old sweet basil that someone had given me a long time ago. I don't know if it's going to grow, but give it a try. And then I got some catnip too. That's pretty old, but I got a cat in the yard, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try too. And then I bought these sunflowers, dwarf teddy bear. Oh my gosh, they only get 2 feet tall, but produce 8-inch double flowers. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. All right, so we're gonna do those. And then I don't do really good with lavender, but if I grow my own lavender, I won't feel bad if it dies because it only cost me $2. So we're gonna do these as well. And then, I have tried doing direct sowing poppies. I cannot direct sow anything in this yard. I think there's little critters that eat them all, or something just isn't right. So I think if I get these started and then plant them into my yard, it'll be good. But I have tried growing poppies, but I saw these. I thought, oh, this is so gorgeous. It's called Watermelon Heaven. Oh my goodness. So says that they grow to 10 inches high and they bloom in about 55 days. So I'm gonna do those. And then I love the verbena I planted in my yard in a previous video. So I thought I would try to grow my own verbena. These take about 14 to 20 days to germinate, and looks like they grow to about 8 inches and about 12 inches across, but hopefully in Florida they'll get a little bit bigger. And then I was given some seeds in memory of a dog that passed away. I know they're kind of old too, but I looked at them. Give it a try, right? So I'm gonna go ahead in today's video and I'm gonna be planting those in my cell containers. And I'm hoping that I'll get a delivery from Amazon and I'll be able to set up the rest of my shelf cart. Let me go ahead and show you where I'm at on the seedlings that I have grown. Hey, don't they look amazing? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. My cosmos are getting second sets of leaves and some of my daisies are too. No sign of the columbines, but I read that those can take up to 3 weeks to start to germinate. And I actually didn't harden these off because I picked some days that I knew we were gonna have that were gonna be overcast, and I stuck them out here then. They were starting to grow some white mold. I read that's actually beneficial in some ways, just kind of brush it off, but they need more aeration. I said, it's time. You guys are grown up enough. We're gonna push you out the door and we're gonna see if you can grow outside. And they did. So pretty soon I'll probably be planting the cosmos since they do have those second sets of leaves. Gonna wait a little longer on the English daisies. I know I'm supposed to pinch some of these off to keep competition down, but just seems wrong. I figure I'll let them figure out who's the strongest and take care of it. But if I put them out in the garden, they'll figure it out anyway, I'm sure. So let's go ahead and get some planting done today. lights in my room. We're going to put a little seedling heat pad underneath them, and we're going to watch these babies grow together. Hey, thanks for joining me today on this little extra seedling adventure, and I hope you're able to go out into your world and make something beautiful. And until the next one, bye y'all.